channel. My name is Anjali.
My name is Ananya.
We are here to play with our Barbie dolls.
Yeah, and they're so beautiful. I can't wait to play with them.
Let's begin.
Yeah, let's start.
Yay, sweetheart, are you hungry?
Yeah. Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy, I'm hungry. So can I have something to eat? Me too. Me too.
Me too. Okay, I'm giving.
Two. And it says.
Okay, I'm giving you two all. Let's start making food for them. So I will use for everyone the pizza. Pizza will be yummy. Let me keep it here, and here is the pizza. Now let me keep it in the oven.
Correct.
Keep the oven. Here's the oven. Now let me close the oven, and now let's take some fruits.
Let's set.
This will be for
Yummy to eat.
and
Let's
some
go.
watermelon and apple.
Mommy.
Yes.
Mom, I can't eat all the table are full.
Don't worry, Daddy. It's all right.
Okay, I'll just
So I have to wash these fruits now.
So
I'll just take one by one. Now open the sink. And here I'll just use another sink.
play.
Oh, that is on the back side. So I'll just use one by one. Yay,
Okay.
wash the sink.
Mommy, can I play?
Yes, you can. Go ahead and enjoy.
Okay. Let's start playing. So, which toy I want? This toy. It looks so good. I'll make a slime. That was a good idea. Let's show out to Mommy and I'll scare Mommy. That's a good idea. Let's
Slime. So, let's see to open the slime. Open the slime. So I think I don't need it. I just need to make food. I'm all done. Where's the water? Because today's Happy Mother's Day. So let's cut
Happy
some
Mother's
fruits.
Day, Mommy.
Aw, thank you, sweetheart.
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy.
Thank you, Daddy, very much. And Happy Mother's Day, sis.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome. Now let me cut.
Happy Mother's Day, sis.
Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day, sis.
Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day, sis.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Happy Mother's Day, sis. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day, sis. Thank you.
So another apple. Cut it.
I'll play.
Cut the apple. Down.
It's
Look at the poo. Daddy, did you do the poo again? Sorry, I did. Now, let me take the pizza from the oven. Open the oven. Smells so delicious. For today's Mother's Day, a yummy special food for all of them. Now I will cut the pizza.
Mommy, how do I look like?
You look very funny, sweetheart.
I look like I'm a fever girl.
Yes, you
I
look like you have
with
a
them
crown.
too. So let's take out this.
So Mitchie will be for Daddy.
And down the
So
plate.
this one will be for me.
Baby, don't stand with your muddy shoes. Sorry.
Keep it right in the plate.
Okay, come here, sis. Let's play with the gooey slime, okay? Okay. I got it first. Let's see.
I'll use another pizza. Yes. Got the pizza, It's too big, Yeah, now we need just a plate. Take the plates.
Ooh, greasy stuff.
Yes, got the plate.
Yeah,
Put the pizza.
so
Yes, I did it already. The pizza fell. I'll put it right in the dustbin. I'll just keep it right here. So this one is dirty, so I'll keep on the plate. This one, pizza. pizza I just already kept here.
More.
Now this saucy pizza will be for me. Huh? Saucy pizza. I love sauce pizzas. Sauce, many sauces.
Mommy, I'm watching you.
Okay, learn how to cook. Maybe you're going more bigger.
I'm 7 years old.
I'm 10. No, mommy's just. I'm 37.
I'm 7.
The pizza fell again. So this one is now really dirty. So next, I will use this one.
And mix the ovalado nana. Oh, Mommy, you are.
First, let me decorate the pizza. So I will have the key because.
So let's dump it muddy, but then whoa. Oops, I'm making the slime.
Okay, now let's use another watermelon. She loves watermelon so much. My sister really loves it. So fix. Wow, a beautiful pizza. Now we'll use another, but I have only 3 plates, so we all will share 3 pizzas. Now get it from this side. Now come down and go. Now let's put another pizza. I have already kept the knife. Slowly this time because all the pizzas are falling. And I don't want to fall more pizzas. So it will get all dirty again. Done! I didn't even fall it. Yay! Now I will use the apple. What are you doing, Elsa?
I'm watching something, so
Don't touch the hot pan.
Okay, but then it's gonna be ready.
It's almost ready, but only I have put some water in these 3
okay.
glasses.
Mommy, I'm watching you.
Can you count all the families? How much is the families?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Maybe let's have.
There's 6 families.
Okay, let me take all of these. Yeah, all of these are good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the glasses we need to use. Okay, first I'll use another and open the sink.
So, baby,
The glass fell.
place some. Ooh.
I'll just keep it on it here.
Hey, Mommy, I'm watching you.
So, Daddy really loves cooking, right?
Mommy,
And the pot.
I'm saying, what are you cooking?
Yes, and you really love cooks. So I'll put the broccoli in her pizza, and the corn will be in my pizza. Daddy, what are you doing here?
I'm kind of seeing how you love me.
So, okay. And can you serve these all food to all of them?
I want to! Woohoo! Shakalaka bum bum!
Okay, this is for my sis, named Princess. Oh no, the broccoli fell, so I won't put the corn in the broccoli. I'll just keep it here. The corn in the broccoli. Looks like it's ice cream. Looks funny. Daddy, come on, very funny. Look, broccolis look like it's an ice cream or a lollipop.
Sorry.
Very
Yeah,
funny.
so yeah.
So, can you serve them? Oh no, the water could be more wasted.
Serve.
Yeah, served means give the food to all of the girls and boys and you too. Okay.
No, I'm just a makeup
Okay,
of
Daddy. Serving time, but not yet. Another.
Since mine's taking a lot of time to go, I'll just do my makeup.
Okay, I love the sink now. I don't need to waste the water because it's not Happy Mother's Day. We don't need to waste the water, or else the water pipe is not going to work. So, Daddy, serving time.
Okay, Mommy.
With a happy face, Daddy.
I'm happy face. See, Mom?
Okay. So, here is for you.
Mmm, delicious.
Now the glass is for you.
Thank you.
Here. Now this one is for my sis. Oh no.
Mommy,
Yes.
the table's getting full.
Don't worry. Don't think of any table. Just think we have the mat, okay? We can put it in the floor because I'm using some plates. Huh? All the water spilled on my dress.
Oh.
So it'll get dry soon. I will just keep another one.
Mommy, you're taking more time.
My tummy is full. I don't want to eat, so I'll just give someone else. Okay, I'll give. So who wants this pizza?
Me, please.
I've already given you.
Me, please.
Again? Okay. Babies can share together only one pizza. Okay? And bye guys.